Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make money with KuCoin trading bots. First, understand that these bots automate your crypto trading, working around the clock. They follow predefined strategies to buy low and sell high, aiming to capitalize on market movements. This means you can potentially earn passive income without constantly monitoring charts. It's a powerful tool for both beginners and experienced traders looking to optimize their approach. To set up your first bot, head to the KuCoin app or website and find the Trading Bot section. You'll then choose a strategy. Spot Grid is popular for beginners. Next, select a cryptocurrency pair like Ethereum versus USD and define your investment amount. Carefully set your price range and the number of grids. Once configured, launch the bot and let it begin executing trades automatically. Optimizing your bot's performance is key to maximizing profits. Regularly check how your bot is doing and stay informed about market trends. If the market moves significantly, adjust your bot's price range and profit targets accordingly. Sometimes, pausing and restarting with updated parameters can be beneficial. Don't be afraid to experiment with different strategies using a small portion of your capital to find what works best. While KuCoin trading bots offer great potential, it's crucial to understand the risks. Cryptocurrency markets are highly volatile, and you can lose money. Always invest only what you can afford to lose, and never rely solely on bots without understanding market dynamics. Diversify your portfolio and continuously educate yourself. For more great content and deals, including the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the description below this video. Happy trading!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.